That right there is my product pick of the week this week. It is the ADG728 I2C 1:8 matrix switch. There's the ADG728 there and a cutie pie. And then I'm running the S1, S2, S3 to some RCA jacks that I'm using for composite video. One output going to the TV set here. There's a VCR, there is a Sony PlayStation 1, and then I also have my little ESP32 clock. We can automatically switch between the PlayStation, my ESP32 clock, and the VCR channels 0, 1, and 2. If I go back to this demo, you can see. So that's my third input, my first input, my second input, cycling. We'll leave it on there. It is the ADG728 I2C 1:8 analog matrix switch.